How to Talk to Anyone, a Moral Story. In a quaint village named Talkington, there lived two young men who were as different as night and day. Friendly Freddie was loved by everyone for his cheerful demeanor and effortless conversations. On the other hand, there was Shy Sam, who found it challenging to talk to anyone beyond a polite nod or a brief hello. One sunny morning, Shy Sam saw friendly Freddie chatting animatedly with the local baker. Sam admired Freddie's ease and wished he could do the same. Determined to change, Sam decided to seek Freddie's help. "Freddie," Sam started nervously, "how do you talk to anyone so easily?" Freddie smiled warmly and put a reassuring hand on Sam's shoulder. "It's not as hard as it seems, Sam. Let me teach you some simple steps. Step 1, smile and make eye contact." "The first step is to smile and make eye contact," Freddie began. "A genuine smile makes people feel welcome and at ease. Eye contact shows you're interested and engaged." Sam practiced smiling and making eye contact with Freddie, who nodded approvingly. "Step 2, start with a compliment." "Next, start with a compliment," Freddie continued. "It can be something simple like, 'I love your dress' or 'Your garden looks beautiful today.' Compliments break the ice and make the other person feel good." Sam tried this with the local florist, saying, "Your flowers always look so lovely." The florist beamed, and they started chatting about different flower types. Step 3, ask open-ended questions. "Ask open-ended questions," Freddie advised. Instead of, "Did you have a good weekend?" ask, "What did you do over the weekend?" This invites the other person to share more about themselves. Sam found the blacksmith working on a new project and asked, "What are you working on today?" The blacksmith eagerly explained his new design, and they had a lively conversation. Step 4, listen actively. "Listening is crucial," Freddie emphasized. "Show that you care about what the other person is saying. Nod, respond appropriately, and avoid interrupting." Sam practiced this with a farmer talking about his crops. By listening actively, Sam found the conversation flowed more naturally, and the farmer appreciated his attentiveness. Step 5, share a little about yourself. "Finally, share a bit about yourself," Freddie said. "It doesn't have to be much, just enough to keep the conversation balanced. Sharing personal stories or experiences makes you more relatable." Sam shared a funny incident about his cat with the village children, who laughed and started sharing their pet stories in return. With Freddie's guidance, Shy Sam gradually became more comfortable and confident in conversations. He practiced these steps daily, and soon, he was known for his friendly chats and engaging conversations. One evening, the village gathered for a festival. Shy Sam, now confident Sam, was seen mingling with ease, sharing laughs and stories with everyone. Friendly Freddie watched from a distance, proud of his friend's transformation. The moral of the story is simple: anyone can become good at talking to others with a little effort and the right approach. By smiling, complimenting, asking open-ended questions, listening actively, and sharing a bit about ourselves, we can build connections and make conversations enjoyable for everyone. In the end, it's not about being the life of the party, but about being genuinely interested in others and showing kindness in our interactions. Just like Shy Sam, we can all learn to talk to anyone and create a world filled with meaningful conversations and lasting friendships.